Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. How you doing? On the menu today, I'm going to make this beautiful salad. Chicken, avocado, garlic, lovely beautiful stuff in there. I'm eating this a lot at the moment and my waistline's looking fabulous. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So we're going to get started with our chicken. So I've got one chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, and I've cut it down the middle into 2 pieces. What we're going to do is we're just going to hit this with some salt, some black pepper, some quality olive oil, and a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. Now if you wanted, you could get another herb in there: thyme, tarragon, rosemary, cayenne pepper, paprika, anything you like really. I'm going to keep it nice and easy today. Very simply, we're going to get over to the cooker. I'm going to just get this in a pan and cook it off. Very, very easy. So, pan on, above medium heat. Drop in your chicken. Any little bits of oil or garlic left. About 4 minutes aside. Like I say, the chicken breast has been cut down the middle so it's quite thin. See when that's done. So our chicken is cooking away. We're going to make the easiest salad dressing in the world. We've got equal parts, 1/4 cup each, of a nice quality extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. If you wanted, you could be using vinegar here. Simply, we're going to drop the lemon in there, the olive oil in there. I like to go equal parts. Some people do a little bit more oil, again salt, again pepper, and if you wanted, get a tablespoon of mustard in there to kind of make a nice vinaigrette in that way. But for me, so easy: oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, give that a whisk, we're done. So the chicken is cooking, the dressing is done. This is what I'm going to be using for the salad: green onions, cucumber, tomato, some beautiful Kalamata black olives, fresh basil, and rocket salad, or arugula as some of you call that. Now if you want to, think about some mixed bell peppers, some chickpeas, some red beans, you know, anything you like, some grated carrot in there. I'm happy with that little mix. What we're going to do is pop that in a mixing bowl. See you in a moment. Okay, so the chicken, I've just turned it off, it's ready. Chopped fresh avocado in there. Let's get our dressing. Beautiful, simple dressing. And get that straight on the avocado, because the lemon in there is really going to help it from turning brown. If you cut a ripe avocado and then leave it in the fresh air, it's going to turn brown pretty quickly. That's done there. Let's grab that chicken. Super. So I've just decanted the salad from the mixing bowl onto that plate. Here's our chicken, beautiful. Nice and succulent inside. I've cut that into strips. Nice garlicky chicken. I've got 1 piece of avocado left that I've just cut like that and fanned it out for the center. Oh yeah, what am I going to do now? Black pepper, a bit more black pepper. But for me that's done. That's a beautiful salad. I'm loving this at the moment. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.